Okay, so right, the emulator has worked. Now I have tried this thing, but the submit button is not working, just because I haven't wrote the main thing which has to be wrote, that is the alert icon. Just wait, it will not show. It will show. Okay, so I want to have some more thing, right? Like for example, only what I have to do is make toast. So what is a toast? Toast is something which is a floating message which will be shown for some time, and yeah, some little bit of information. So for example, if age is greater than or equal to 18, no. So toast dot make text. Now context. Okay, yeah. So the text will be new plus age, whatever the age it is. Yes. So welcome, right? No, it has some other thing also. Context over here. Now it has something to call yeah, it has context रहता है. Okay, so I think we have messed it up. Yeah, it is not context. Context is something which is this thing where we are looking, and this thing is text. Now we are track, and the third one will be something which is simple. Yeah, so how long our boost should be? Toast dot length, you short or long. So yeah, short length. Now yeah, we'll do is dot show. Right now simple. Just want this 3 lines to be copied. Else is definitely below this thing. This is so you will not allowed. That's my this, right? So let's see if it works for us or not. I pray please put this time, put this time, I will just go on. So please keep supporting me, because we'll learn Android Studio very well, and if any doubts, please write in comments. I will like to clarify them and make videos on them if possible. And I really appreciate you watching this thing to learn Android yourself, because it is very good, and yeah, it will be very helpful to you. Yeah, so we can see that these things are running, right? And this is our 6 image later. See this also. Now the app will power like this. Alright. So yeah, hi, thanks for appreciation is also given here. Now this is my name. My age is 19. So I submit. This is okay. See, whatever. Short text, length is short, so it's gone. Welcome to Super App. This is something we will call as an alert dialog. You can see that code here. Write the buttons. This will do nothing because the null is written there. Right. Submit again. You can see here you are the post. It does all done. So let us try if the else statement is working or not. So yeah, 1 year old. So let us show that, but your 1 year old, so you're not. No.